Selecting a high-quality glue is about ensuring that fine details remain crisp, seams are minimized, and the model can withstand the rigors of transportation and gameplay. Here we have 3 best glue for Warhammer miniatures.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Swiffar plastic glue. Swiffar plastic glue has carved out a niche in the hobby world as a versatile and high-performance cyanoacrylate solution that bridges the gap between traditional superglues and model cements. While many plastic glues are designed strictly for polystyrene, this clear, heavy-duty adhesive is formulated to bond a wider variety of materials, making it particularly useful for hobbyists working with hybrid kits that include 3D printed PLA parts or specialized acrylic components. This plastic glue features an advanced formula that provides exceptional bonding strength, creating a durable hold that withstands pulling, bending, and everyday use for long-term dependability. Once applied, it stays firmly in place thanks to its waterproof and heat-resistant properties, ensuring a secure bond in various conditions. The fast-acting formula flows easily into fine cracks and gaps, setting within seconds to form a strong bond. This quick curing process saves time and effort, letting you finish projects efficiently without long waiting periods. And number 2, we have wall candy glue. For hobbyists who demand speed and a professional-grade finish, wall candy glue offers a rapid set formula that is specifically tailored for the intricate nature of miniature assembly. This cyanoacrylate-based adhesive is designed to set in mere seconds, which is a massive advantage when trying to hold heavy resin pieces or awkward metal components in place while the bond takes hold. Discover the strength of professional-grade bonding with wall candy plastic glue. Its advanced formula delivers exceptional holding power, creating dependable repairs that last. From model airplanes to plastic toys, this adhesive forms a tough, long-lasting bond you can trust. Say goodbye to long wait times. Wall candy plastic glue dries in seconds, helping you finish projects faster and with less effort. Whether you're fixing miniatures or model cars, it provides quick, efficient results. Designed for convenience, the glue cures rapidly without clamps or heavy weights. Simply apply, press gently, and allow it to set, saving time and effort while achieving a strong, durable bond. On number 3, we have Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue is a household name that has become a staple on hobby desks worldwide, primarily due to the exceptional performance of its super glue gel variant. Unlike thinner liquids that can run and create a mess, the gel version provides a thicker, more controlled application that stays exactly where you put it, making it the premier choice for attaching magnets to bases or securing heavy metal miniatures to their pedestals. It features a unique formulation containing rubber particles, which adds a layer of impact resistance to the bond. This is crucial for Warhammer models, which are frequently handled and occasionally dropped. A standard brittle bond might snap upon impact, but a Gorilla Glue bond has enough flex to absorb the shock. Its versatility extends to almost every material found in the hobby, from resin and metal to plastic and even basing materials like cork or gravel. The impact-tough technology ensures that your most prized models remain intact throughout years of gaming, making it one of the most dependable heavy-duty options available to the modern wargamer. So these are some of the best glue to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.